Hey, what's up? Thanks for coming on. This is Cheryl, Lady Boss Boomer. How do you like my new shirt? So, I've got a hot off the press topic for you this evening. So, let's see if Facebook brings us a few peeps. We would love to have some peeps. Thank you so much. Ooh, good evening, Malcolm. Haven't seen you forever. Thank you so much for coming on. Let me get my headset on so you can hear me. So this is Cheryl coming to you live with Cheryl's Talk, episode 125, Lady Boss Boomer. And let me show off my shirt. Lady Boss Boomer, I've got my new shirt on. So I've got a topic for you tonight that is just burning my tongue off. I've got to share it. So I want to get some people on here first before I really get going. So thank you so much for coming on. So if this is the first time that you have been on my lives, then drop a 1 in the comments, please. And also let us know where you're coming in from. Love to know the state that you're coming in from, the time zone. You know, is it the middle of the night where you are? Love to know those things. Also, if this resonates with you, if my topic resonates with you, please share it out. Would love for you to share it out. And then stay to the end because I'm going to tell you about a very, very important interview that I'm going to be doing tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. right here live. So probably about 6:30 is when I'll be on. But so, good evening, Susan. Good evening. Who else do we have here? Malcolm and Susan so far. So let's see if we could get Facebook to bring us some more audience. I should have shared it out over here. Let me do that because my topic is very timely, my topic. So I'm going to talk with you about, well, let me just wait. Let me see if I could share this out first and see if we can get a few more people on. If you want to share it out for me, I would really love it. I would be grateful. And I'm getting messages from people. So let's see. I'm going to share it over here on my timeline or on my fan page. On my page. Just give me 1 second. There we go. Okay, so there it is done. Now I will quit doing that and you have my full attention. So I want to talk to you about, so you saw in my topic, how would you like to make 1,000 plus a week or a month? How would you like to make 1,000 plus a month right from your cell phone with no recruiting and no quotas? You've never heard of that before, have you? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's true. It's a true story. It's happening all around you. And I just decided it is time that I let the cat out of the bag and told you the scoop. So, hello, Larry. Thank you so much for coming on. Love to see you again. It's been a while. All right, so let me get right to it. So you see, there are so many great network marketing companies out there, and network marketing is really the way to go today because everyone needs a home-based business. They need a home-based business for tax write-offs, for a lot of reasons, for just a little side income. The problem is that all of those amazing network marketing companies out there, they are built on recruiting. And 95% of people just simply are not recruiters. Now, I've always been, well, no, I haven't always been a recruiter, but I, am a recruiter. The last company I was in, I put in 200 people, just close to 200 people with the big pack, and that was great. But the problem is that my team that I put in, 95% of them were not recruiters, so they weren't making any money. And so what consequently happened is the bottom fell out from under it, and that's why I'm where I'm at today. And so you see, with the company that I'm at with today, which I'm not going to tell you the company or give you any links. If you want to know, you'll need to contact me. But the fact is that, you see, there needed to be a big shift in the whole industry because we've got this social media, and a lot of companies aren't even social media savvy. They don't want their people to build online. They don't want them to do email marketing. They don't want them to do like a funnel and advertise. They don't want them to do any of that stuff. They want them to do the old-fashioned belly-to-belly, house party, da-da-da kind of gigs. Well, just doesn't work anymore. It still works, but it doesn't work as well. And most people are not even comfortable doing that. And who wants to be away from your home every evening doing house parties? Well, I sure wouldn't. And so what we have here is social retail. It's a social marketing method. And what if you could, now you can, and I'm going to tell you how in a second here, but what if you could build an amazing business with just customers right from your phone? Would that be something that you would want to do? If it was a product, that you knew people that wanted that product and that used that product, and it was good and it was natural and people loved it, the price was right, would it be something that would resonate with you? Give me a thumbs up if it would. Come on, you guys. Oh, I got some new people on here. Hello, Frank. Hello, Shannon. Hello, Colleen. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for coming on. So the deal is that I happen to have 5 spots available right now tonight in my positioning, where that these 5 people that come in, they're going to be part of my Lady Boss Boomer team, honestly, where that they're not going to have to recruit anyone if they don't want to, and they're going to have the way paved to get lots of customers. Now, what if you could honestly be making $1,000 a month plus, but what if you could be making $2,000 or $3,000 a month just with customers? Just with customers, never recruiting a soul, just with customers, and just doing it right from your phone. Is it something that would interest you? Give me a thumbs up if it would. Ooh, hello there, Luann. Something that would interest you. That's great. Well, you see, it would interest most people that wanted a side gig, a side income. And the problem is they just don't know about it. So I'm here to share with you that if you contact me, I'm going to give you the full scoop. And I do have these 5 positions available that you will go with my rock star Lady Boss Boomer hot mess group of mostly women, probably all women. And you'll be part of that little team where that you will be supported, unbelievable, just to get customers, just to share, just to get customers. And guess what else? You even get an app that gives you these little videos that are like 2-minute videos that you can just share out just over and over and over. It's amazing. It's totally amazing, you guys. So if you know anyone that would like to start making from their phone $1,000+ a month right away, their first month, if you know anyone like that, please share this out with them. Let them know, give them my information so that I can get in touch with them and get them into one of these spots, because these spots will fill up very, very quickly. And so this evening, I just wanted to come on and share it with you, let you know what's going on, because there really is another way. I have seen people in network marketing fail so many times because they're not a recruiter. And it's heartbreaking to see people come in, invest a lot of money in these big packages, and then it's like, what do I do? What do I say? Who do I talk to? Well, my family and friends don't want to know about it. I've tried it before and I wasn't successful. So my family and friends don't want to support me. It's true, they don't. And that's why you want to use my method of social media to get the message out there, to attract the people to you, and to create customers all day long. That's right, customers all day long, because they're buying things that they buy already. It's just changing the shopping store to your store. It's very simple. It's a brilliant, brilliant method and a brilliant way to add an extra $1,000 a month, an extra $2,000 or $3,000 a month to your income. People are even retiring their spouse, or they're even able to leave their job just with getting customers. What if you had a customer base of 50 people? What if you had 50 people that wanted what this product was? And there's a lot of products to choose from. So what if you had like 50 people that wanted it? Do you know that with 50 people, you would be making over $5,000 a month? Staggering. Staggering, isn't it? When you think about all of the times that you have joined a network marketing company and you paid the big bucks, you had the product, you did the parties, you did the samples, and you didn't make any money. You didn't even make your investment back. Well, it's a different day and it's a different story here at Lady Boss Boomer. So all you have to do is contact me. Just drop a 1 in the comments. I'll get in touch with you, or PM me, private message me, and I will contact you and get the info to you, and we'll see if it's a fit. It might not be for you, and that's okay, but you won't know until you have a look, will you? You won't know what it's even about, what it even entails in just getting customers, or even how simple it is until you have a look. So just contact me, share it out with your friend. If you know 5 friends that that are looking for something as well, then send them my way, and let's get this party started. So thank you so much for joining me, and if you drop a 10x in the comments, I will send you my cheat sheet on how to launch your business, any business, online. So I have a 6-step cheat sheet that I will send off to you absolutely free. If you drop a 10x, 10x in the comments, then I'll know that you want the cheat sheet, because you might have a business yourself already that you can perfectly use my cheat sheet to really relaunch it online. And maybe it's a business that you just want to attract recruiters, and that is just perfect if that's what it is. So just let me know if you want the cheat sheet. Thank you so much for being here. And again, I want to tell you what's happening tomorrow evening. About 6:30, I will be at the Venetian, and I'm going to be doing a very special interview. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's a very, very special interview with a woman that had a gigantic, enormous weight issue. And when I say gigantic and enormous, you could kind of read between the lines and know that she had a huge, huge weight issue, that it was just heartbreaking as to what happened to this young woman. And so I'm going to be interviewing her live. I'm meeting her tomorrow evening at the Venetian. And so we're going to be interviewing her live. So I'm so excited about it. So if you know anyone that does have a weight problem, that, they've struggled, they could be 200 or 300 pounds overweight. Those are the kind of people that you want to get to this live. 200 or 300 pounds, 100 pounds, 20 pounds, it doesn't matter. But those people that really have struggled, some all their life. Some of those people were overweight as children because of, who knows, lots of reasons that it happens. So that's what's happening tomorrow evening, and that will be episode 126. Also, go to my Instagram, which is Lady Boss Boomers with an S, and please follow me there. Also, go to my Instagram TV and check out all my videos over there. Go to my YouTube and check out all of my series of different videos over there. And my YouTube channel is Cheryl Dobash, my name. So there you go. There it is, all in a package. Thank you so much for being here with me live. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.